Every step you take, every choice you make brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. It's about feeling good, inside and out. It's about finding balance and harmony in your life. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a moment to breathe, every effort counts. You deserve to feel strong. Strength isn't just about muscles, it's about resilience, determination, and the will to keep going, even when things get tough. You deserve to feel energized. Energy fuels your passions, your dreams, and your everyday activities. It's the spark that keeps you moving forward. Fitness is key to unlocking your full potential. It's not just about physical strength, but also mental clarity and emotional well-being. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about pushing your limits and achieving new goals. Every milestone you reach is a testament to your hard work and dedication. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, one step at a time. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small, and keep striving for more. Let's embark on this journey together. With support, motivation, and a shared goal, we can achieve incredible things. We'll explore exercises like the overhead squat that will transform your body and mind. These movements challenge you, build strength, and improve your overall fitness. Get ready to experience the power of fitness. Together, we'll unlock new levels of health, happiness, and well-being. Let's make every moment count. The overhead squat is a full-body exercise. It builds strength, it enhances stability, it improves mobility. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. You'll engage your legs, core, back, and shoulders. It's a true test of your overall fitness level. Mastering the overhead squat takes time and dedication. Start with lighter weights. Focus on proper form. Gradually increase the weight as you progress. Strong shoulders are essential for a balanced physique. They enhance your upper body strength. They improve your posture. They make everyday activities easier. Isolation exercises target your deltoids specifically. These exercises help you build muscle definition. They create those sculpted shoulders you desire. Incorporate exercises like lateral raises and front raises into your routine. Use moderate weight and focus on controlled movements. Feel the burn in your deltoids as you lift and lower. Section 4. Your journey to fitness, practical tips and guidance. Consistency is key. To achieve your fitness goals, it's important to stay motivated and keep track of your progress. Writing down your achievements and challenges in a journal can help you stay focused and committed. Make exercise a regular part of your life. Whether you prefer working out at home or hitting the gym, find a routine that works for you and stick to it. Consistency will help you build a habit and make fitness a natural part of your daily routine. Start with a few workouts per week. If you're new to exercising, begin with light exercises and gradually increase the intensity. This will help you avoid injury and build your strength and endurance over time. Gradually increase the frequency and intensity. Listen to your body. As you become more comfortable with your routine, challenge yourself by adding more workouts and increasing the difficulty. However, always pay attention to how your body feels and avoid overexertion. Rest when you need it. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They allow your muscles to recover and grow stronger. Incorporate stretching and relaxation techniques to help your body heal and prevent injuries. Don't push yourself too hard, too soon. It's crucial to practice safe exercise techniques and take breaks when necessary. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout or injury, which can set back your progress. Progress takes time and patience. Remember that fitness is a long-term journey. Celebrate small victories and be patient with yourself. Consistent effort over time will lead to significant improvements. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Eating a balanced diet is essential for supporting your fitness goals. Focus on consuming a variety of whole foods that provide the nutrients your body needs to perform and recover. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. These foods will give you the energy and nutrients necessary to sustain your workouts and promote overall health. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is key to maintaining your energy levels and ensuring your body functions properly. Make it a habit to drink water regularly, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Section 5. Join the movement, share, engage, and thrive. This is your chance to be part of something bigger, a community that motivates and uplifts each other. This is more than just fitness, it's a community. Share your progress, inspire others. When you share your journey, you not only celebrate your own achievements but also encourage others to push their limits. Let's support each other on this journey. Leave a comment below. Your words can be the motivation someone needs to keep going. Engage with fellow fitness enthusiasts and build lasting connections. Tell us about your fitness goals. Share your favorite exercises. Your experiences and tips can help others discover new ways to stay active and healthy. Let's learn and grow together. Every step we take, every goal we achieve, we do it as a community. Together, we can reach new heights. Subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and inspiration. Stay updated with the latest workouts, nutrition advice, and motivational content. Like this video if you found it helpful. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Share it with your friends and family, and let's spread the message of health and wellness. Together, we can make a difference and inspire a healthier world.